What is up, boys? I am back. Look at that bike, the beautiful bike. That exhaust is so good. That straight pipe beauty. Kickstand up. I already tried to move it once to just get it out of the way, and I fucking killed it on accident. Man, there's a little bit of antifreeze underneath it when I pulled it out, so hopefully that's not important. Hopefully it's just the usual. I don't know how much gas I have. Hold on. Nah, I still don't know how much the bike's still out. Told my dad I'm not gonna be stupid. I'm gonna try not to be stupid. So this is y'all's warning. This isn't gonna be a fun video. This might be a boring video. Forgot to mute my mic. Not my mic, my phone. Fuck. I gotta do a couple quick adjustments outside of this gate anyway, so. Oh, if I can't. It doesn't register me. Let me adjust the smear really quick. There we go. Hey. Mute that. I'm not big enough. I'm not. Really? Holy shit, I thought they were parking so. Oh my god. Right, I'll let you go first. Oh, okay. Love you. So anyway, how have you guys been? It's been so damn long since I rode. Oh, I needed this though. This time I just gotta wait for this way to clear so I can actually go instead of trying to fight both lanes of traffic. I do have topic. Just back in the saddle stuff. But it's topic nonetheless. No, of course there's a state cop. But then my insurance is up to date in my tabs. Good thing I don't plan on going vroom vroom either. Visor down. It's fucking windier and shit. Not bad though. With a jacket and a long sleeve t-shirt, my little body armor shit, it ain't that bad. I'm not sure of my gas level. I know I have a lot of seafoam in here from when I started it, but other than that, we should be good to go. I hope. There is a fair amount of salt on the road still, so I'm not going to be trying to do a whole lot. I don't want to clean the bike off too much. This sounds so much better in person, I promise y'all. All this crackle is just so sexy. This bike does have underglow. I don't know if y'all know that. This bike does have underglow, and I love it. It's got a Yoshimura, however you want to say it, tip, and it's straight piped. So it shoots flames when I want it to, or mainly when I redline it, but you know, I don't like redlining too much. It's not my style. I do not plan on riding highway today either. I know that sounds counterintuitive for a street bike to want to ride on you know, I'm gonna call it a sport bike actually, because it's yeah, clip-ons. But that's just how I'm gonna, you know, classify this beast. Because I know a lot of you guys in 1000s or above like, it's a 600, bro. What do you mean a beast? It's a beast to me compared to my Dyna. You know, it's funny. I get the bike out today and it's supposed to rain tomorrow, Thursday. Be nice on Friday. Rain, snow mix on Saturday, and then it's gonna be beautiful all next week. So it might be a week before y'all get more content after this. Whether or not this is a one video recording session or two, I don't know yet. But anyway, so on this, back in the saddle stuff, right? Like I was saying, I do have topics I want to cover this summer, fall, spring. I have like a laundry list of stuff I want to actually talk about, not like just me going out riding and seeing stuff. But I mean like legitimate topics that require actual like cognitive thought. So I don't know how well I'll do because I'm not the greatest at cognitive thought most of the time. I'm sure as y'all can tell from my previous entries on YouTube. I've been watching a lot of new people. I talked to a couple of them outside of YouTube, so I'll shout them out. FastMaxMoto and ForgottenBuild, they're pretty solid dudes. I like talking to them, hanging out. I say hanging out, but we're not really hanging out. We're in different states. We're just talking. Jones and Josh and hanging out, same stuff, different day. So hope there's no like noise restriction around, or not noise restriction, but like, what's it called? Decibel. If there's decibels, I'm fucked. Except now I actually have to look at my speedometer because there's a cop behind me. A state cop at that, and state cops are, if you're a cop, I apologize, but state cops are fucking douchebags 90% of the time. Change my mind. Like local police, yeah, they're cool. State police, oh my god, you're gonna get a ticket. Yeah, I might try and stunt ride this season. My stunt ride, I mean like wheelies, you know, burn out this little stuff. I'm not trying to break this bike. I know it's a F4i, so it's kind of built to a stunt, but I'm not really in pay for breaking the bike mode currently, or ever really. Upgrading the bike, yeah, that's a different story. Breaking the bike, nah, that's not my move ever. This is just to get the piss and vinegar out kind of thing, or, you know, kind of reintroduce it, not really get it out. There ain't nothing to get out. You didn't see it. That kid looked back. He broke his neck. So, you know, you gotta do it when you see a little kid breaking his neck, man. That's how you get the next generation of riders right there. Not that I did anything cool, I just revved it, but, you know, I didn't even rev it, I just kind of took off a little bit, but to a little kid, that is the shit. Notice how I haven't talked in so long to a camera, my sentences are fucky. It will get better as time progresses, I promise. At least I am not stuttering like I usually do, as a bonus to me. Because I usually stutter. Oh, another bike, Honda too, hell yeah. I'll have you guys know, just because I own a Honda and a Harley does not mean that I am biased towards either of those brands. I love all motorcycles equally. You could ride with me on a 125 and I will say it is the coolest thing ever. More people need to be like that, which is going to be a later topic about elitism on motorcycles. Stay tuned for that one. That might be a next week video because that is fresh in my mind because it has been happening to me recently. If there's any topics you guys want to see me cover with my own twists, let me know, because I have big brain moments and I'm sometimes funny. That's my go-to anytime anybody ever comes close to blowing a stop sign or a red light or almost hitting me, is buy me a new bike, man. Will I be in immense pain for a long time? Yeah. You know what else I'll have? Weed. They sell that here legally to begin with, but give me a reason to, like, you know, need to use it. I don't smoke right now or eat it or nothing. I'm kind of boring in a lot of people's eyes because I don't get high. I don't really get drunk anymore either. I used to do that all the time. There's a story about that, or like a video I made called Squid and Wind Therapy. Long story short, too long, didn't watch. I used to get, oh my god, my fucking, I got spit in my mouth and I sound like I'm lisping. But I used to get depressed because I got dumped and binge drink. Not a good idea. Don't ever do that, please. Ooh, a Model S. Nice. I lost one of those on the Harley. Surprise. Not really, but you know. Ooh, a dent side? No, that's a flare side. Right? No, I don't know. The chrome is throwing me off. So my winter was crazy. I might make a video about that too. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I say crazy very lightly. Some crazy shit happened, yeah, but not necessarily like, oh my god, the world's ending kind of crazy. More like a, man, this is a mildly annoying and inconvenient kind of crazy, you know? But yeah, if you guys want to see that, let me know. Post in the comments, yeah, I want to see that. Or no, I don't want to see that, you're boring. I don't really care. Say what you will. I am unapologetically me, and if you do not like me, well, I don't know why you're here. Stalking me or something, you weirdo? Nah, I know I'm gonna go across. I'll get a picture over here or something to commemorate that I'm out riding for Facebook and Instagram and my socials. Because I am that kind of guy. Yeah. Man, it would suck if this whole time I've been recording and nothing has like picked up because of like some bullshit or something. Oh no, my worst fear. Oh, that's just a dry spot. I was gonna say, oh no, gravel. I was wrong. It's just a dry spot. Oh man, Bigsby popped up. I don't want you. Go away. Nobody, women talking to me. I am the Bigsby of men. Pow. So I'm super excited to make videos for you guys this year. I understand that I was gone a lot last year. I was depressed and I was very I procrastinated so much that I didn't even take pictures of my stuff when I was out riding, nor did I swipe that away, camera, nor did I like put the GoPro shit on my actual helmet. Oh fuck. Okay, cool. Let's zoom in just a tad bit. No, fuck off, Bigsby. Do not want you here. Go that way. Kapow, kapow. Hit the fucking button. Goddamn. Boom. Alright, cool. So I gotta ask, do you guys listen to music while you ride? Oh, no way, I got a friend request on my Mandalorian thing. So those of you that don't know, actually all of you won't know. Besides riding, being a part of a motorcycle club, playing video games, music, trying to be a punk rock star, even though I don't know how to sing or play any instruments. Do have a mohawk though, picture. I am trying to join a cosplay group called the Mandalorian Mercs Costume Club, which is MMCC. But I do have a Mandalorian cosplay in the works. I'm on their website and stuff. I'm joining it because, one, cosplaying is cool. You cannot change my mind. Two, it was something to do over the winter. I have a lot of stuff for it, so it's just going to happen now anyway. Three, oh my god, I got my finger apart. They do a lot of cool stuff. Like, besides costuming at like Comic-Cons, they will go to like hockey stuff for Star Wars nights. Ooh, excuse me. Occasionally they will do like, I want to say they do a decent amount of charity stuff. Don't quote me on that, but when I was at the Grand Rapids Comic-Con, they were doing bounty hunts where they that's the horn, where they would find someone, a cosplayer, you know, whoever was, you have to pay money to do it. It's not a free thing. But they would find somebody and you have to pay for it, and all the money they made went towards like local charity programs for kids, which is what it's really all about 90% of the time, is doing shit for kids.